the Atlantic Ocean, a name that conjures images of boundless blue stretching towards the horizon. This immense body of water, second only in size to the Pacific, is a world unto itself. Covering nearly a third of the Earth's surface, the Atlantic is a vital artery in our planet's circulatory system. It regulates global climate patterns, provides sustenance for countless people, and harbors a breathtaking array of life. From the icy waters of the Arctic to the warm currents of the Caribbean, the Atlantic is a mosaic of diverse environments. Each region boasts unique characteristics, shaping the lives of the creatures that call it home. The very air we breathe is influenced by the Atlantic's currents, carrying moisture and warmth across continents. The Atlantic's depths conceal secrets yet to be fully understood. Mysterious creatures adapted to life in crushing pressure and perpetual darkness inhabit its abyssal plains. Towering underwater mountain ranges like the Mid-Atlantic Ridge host unique ecosystems fueled by volcanic activity. This vast ocean, a source of wonder and inspiration, is now facing unprecedented challenges. Understanding the delicate balance of this complex ecosystem is paramount to ensuring its health for generations to come. The Atlantic Ocean teems with life, a living tapestry woven with an astounding variety of species. This vast body of water is home to an intricate web of life, each organism playing a unique role in the ecosystem. From microscopic plankton, the foundation of the marine food web, to the largest creatures on Earth, the blue whale, the Atlantic's inhabitants represent millions of years of evolution. This evolutionary journey has led to an incredible diversity of life forms, each adapted to their specific niche. Dolphins, with their playful nature and remarkable intelligence, grace the Atlantic's waters. These charismatic mammals are often seen leaping and playing in the waves, a testament to their social bonds and complex behaviors. These social creatures navigate the ocean with echolocation, their clicks and whistles forming a complex language. This sophisticated form of communication allows them to hunt, navigate, and interact with each other in the vast ocean. Whales, the gentle giants of the sea, undertake epic migrations across vast distances, traveling thousands of miles between feeding and breeding grounds, their haunting songs echoing through the deep. These vocalizations are not just beautiful, they play a crucial role in communication and navigation. Sea turtles, ancient mariners, ply the ocean currents, their journeys spanning entire ocean basins. These resilient creatures have been navigating the seas for over 100 million years. These reptiles, some species of which can live for centuries, play a vital role in maintaining the health of marine ecosystems. By grazing on seagrass and controlling jellyfish populations, they help keep the ocean balanced. Sharks, often misrepresented, are crucial apex predators, keeping populations in check and ensuring the health of the ocean's food web. Their presence indicates a healthy, balanced ecosystem, from the sleek and powerful great white, known for its strength and agility, to the smaller but equally important dogfish, which play a significant role in the marine food web. These cartilaginous fish are a testament to nature's ingenuity. Their unique adaptations have allowed them to thrive in diverse environments. Countless other creatures make their home in the Atlantic, each playing a vital role in the delicate balance of this complex ecosystem. From the smallest invertebrates to the largest predators, every species contributes to the ocean's health. Fish of all shapes and sizes, each with their own unique adaptations, from the commercially important cod, which supports fisheries and local economies, to the bioluminescent lanternfish of the deep, which light up the dark ocean with their glow, add to the richness and diversity of this underwater world. The Atlantic Ocean is a vibrant, dynamic ecosystem, teeming with life and full of wonders waiting to be discovered. The Atlantic Ocean is not a uniform expanse. It stretches over 41 million square miles, making it the second largest ocean on Earth. This vast body of water is a complex mosaic of distinct ecosystems, each with its own unique characteristics and inhabitants. It is a complex mosaic of distinct ecosystems, each with its own unique characteristics and inhabitants. From the sun-drenched surface waters to the deepest trenches, life thrives in a variety of habitats, each adapted to its specific environment. From the sun-drenched surface waters to the deepest trenches, life thrives in a variety of habitats. The surface waters bathed in sunlight are teeming with life, from tiny plankton to massive whales. In contrast, the deep ocean trenches, shrouded in darkness, harbor mysterious and often bizarre creatures. The pelagic zone, the open ocean, is home to creatures that live their entire lives surrounded by water. This vast, seemingly empty expanse is actually a bustling ecosystem, with species ranging from microscopic plankton to the largest animals on Earth, the blue whales. Here, phytoplankton, microscopic plants, form the base of the food web, harnessing the sun's energy to create food. These tiny organisms are crucial to the ocean's health, producing much of the oxygen we breathe and serving as the primary food source for many marine creatures. Zooplankton, tiny animals, graze on these plants, in turn becoming prey for larger creatures. This intricate food web supports a diverse array of life, from small fish to large marine mammals. The intertidal zone, the area between high and low tide, is a challenging environment. Organisms here must be adapted to survive both submerged in salt water and exposed to the air and sun. This zone is a dynamic and ever-changing habitat, influenced by the tides and the weather. Organisms here must be adapted to survive both submerged in salt water and exposed to the air and sun. Barnacles cling tenaciously to rocks. Mussels anchor themselves with strong threads, and crabs scuttle across the sand, searching for food. Each species has evolved unique adaptations to thrive in this harsh environment. Barnacles cling tenaciously to rocks, using their strong cement-like secretions to stay attached even in the roughest waves. Mussels anchor themselves with strong threads known as byssal threads, which they produce to secure themselves to the substrate. And crabs scuttle across the sand, searching for food. These agile creatures are adept at navigating the shifting sands and rocky crevices of the intertidal zone. The neritic zone, the shallow waters above the continental shelf, is teeming with life. This zone is rich in nutrients, supporting a diverse array of marine organisms. Coral reefs, often called the rainforests of the sea, provide shelter for a dazzling array of fish and invertebrates. Coral reefs, often called the rainforests of the sea, provide shelter for a dazzling array of fish and invertebrates. These vibrant ecosystems are hotspots of biodiversity, home to thousands of species, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. Seagrass beds offer nursery grounds for juvenile fish, providing them with shelter and abundant food. These underwater meadows are crucial for the survival of many marine species, offering a safe haven for young fish to grow and develop. And kelp forests, towering underwater forests, provide food and shelter for a variety of creatures. These giant seaweeds create a complex habitat supporting a diverse community of marine life, from tiny invertebrates to large fish and marine mammals. The bathyal zone, the dimly lit depths below the continental shelf, is home to creatures adapted to life in near darkness. This zone, extending from 200 to 2,000 meters below the surface, is a realm of perpetual twilight, where only the faintest light penetrates. Squid, with their large eyes, hunt for prey, using their keen vision to detect the faintest glimmers of light. These agile predators are well adapted to the low-light conditions of the bathyal zone, while anglerfish, with their bioluminescent lures, attract food in the perpetual twilight. These fascinating creatures use their glowing lures to entice prey, a remarkable adaptation to the dark depths of the ocean. The abyssal zone, the deepest part of the ocean, was once thought to be devoid of life. However, we now know that this extreme environment, characterized by crushing pressure and frigid temperatures, supports a surprising array of creatures. This zone, extending from 2,000 meters to the ocean floor, is a realm of extremes, where life has adapted to the harshest conditions on Earth. However, we now know that this extreme environment, characterized by crushing pressure and frigid temperatures, supports a surprising array of creatures. From giant tube worms to bioluminescent fish, the abyssal zone is home to some of the most extraordinary life forms on our planet. Hydrothermal vents, spewing forth hot, mineral-rich water, create oases of life in this otherwise desolate landscape. These vents, found along mid-ocean ridges, support unique ecosystems where chemosynthetic bacteria form the base of the food web, providing energy for a variety of specialized organisms. The Atlantic Ocean is more than just a habitat. It's a vast highway system, a dynamic and ever-changing environment that supports a myriad of life forms. This immense body of water, stretching from the icy Arctic to the warm tropics, is a crucial corridor for countless marine species. Countless marine creatures undertake epic migrations, traversing thousands of miles in search of food, breeding grounds, or suitable temperatures. These migrations are not random, they are finely tuned journeys that have evolved over millennia, driven by the changing seasons and the availability of resources. These journeys, often fraught with danger, are a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life. Predators lurk in the depths, and the ocean's currents can be both a help and a hindrance. Yet these creatures press on, driven by instinct and the need to survive. Whales, perhaps the most iconic of ocean travelers, undertake some of the longest migrations on Earth. These gentle giants traverse entire ocean basins, their journeys spanning thousands of miles from feeding grounds to breeding areas. Humpback whales, for example, spend their summers feeding in the cold, plankton-rich waters of the North Atlantic before embarking on a journey of thousands of miles to their breeding grounds in the warm waters of the Caribbean. This incredible journey is a round trip that can cover up to 16,000 miles annually. Sea turtles, guided by an internal compass, navigate the ocean currents, returning to the very beach where they hatched decades earlier to lay their own eggs. This remarkable navigational feat is still not fully understood by scientists, but it highlights the deep connection these animals have with their birthplace. These ancient reptiles, some of which can live for over a century, demonstrate an incredible connection to their birthplace. The hatchlings, once they emerge from their eggs, face a perilous journey to the ocean, guided by the light of the moon and stars. Fish, too, participate in these oceanic journeys. Species like the Atlantic bluefin tuna are known for their impressive migrations, which are essential for their life cycle and the health of the ocean. Atlantic bluefin tuna, for example, migrate across the Atlantic, their powerful bodies propelling them through the water at astonishing speeds. These migrations are critical for their spawning and feeding, ensuring the survival of their species. These fish, highly prized for their rich, fatty meat, are a testament to the ocean's bounty, but their populations are increasingly threatened by overfishing. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to thrive in the wild. These migrations are not just impressive feats of endurance, they are essential for the health of the ocean. By moving nutrients and energy between different parts of the ocean, migrating animals play a vital role in maintaining the balance of the marine ecosystem. By moving nutrients and energy between different parts of the ocean, migrating animals play a vital role in maintaining the balance of the marine ecosystem. Their movements help to distribute nutrients, support diverse marine life, and ensure the productivity of the ocean's waters. These migrations are a testament to the interconnectedness of life in the ocean, highlighting the importance of protecting these incredible journeys for future generations.